That guy's got an automatic over there. Looks like Chris might have got shot already.
There's no safety kills there.
It was a pretty big bump that one guy has on his head, wasn't it?
Get out of the game or something?
Yeah, I'm not sure if they're... Yeah. Look at, he's sneaking up on this guy here. See there, look at...
It looks like they're teaming up now.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess they're on the same team. I'm not sure how they determine teams.
Because they both saw themselves and they didn't fire at each other.
Yeah. Look at there.
It might be if you're shot, you get out of the game or something.
Yep, when you get shot, just like in Call of Duty, when you get shot. Except you don't respawn though. Here you got to step out, and then you guys figure out who the winners are. See the big welt on that one guy's head? Yeah, he got hit right in the head with a gun. It's pretty hot here. I'm sweating just standing here.
Feel my hair. Doesn't it feel like it's on fire?
Yeah. How you doing, Ben? Doing okay down there? Do you want to go stand? Do you want to go stand in the shade with your brother?
No.
Here, buddy. Here, little buddy. Come here. Here, I'll come down here with you. Do you want to sit on my lap?
I do.
Well. See, they're clearing out their stuff. They must be getting some jams or something. He's kind of hobbling with his foot. I wonder if his sock is on wrong or something. You want a drink of that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Here you go. Yeah, there's shaded seats over there if you want to go to the shaded seats. Just take. Looks like they're doing some target practice or something. They must be using up the rest of their balls.
Some of the paintball guns sound like they have silencers on them. Or does it just what?
There it is, Enterprise App Support right there.
I didn't know where it came from. All of a sudden I got, and it didn't break though. I got hit and I thought, oh, it had to break, but it was a solid hit. I didn't even bother unless somebody was
Okay. They might be done for the day. You know what? We're about halfway to your grandma's house. Come on, Ben. See, look at him. Look at his foot. He's doing something with his foot.